Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are safe and enjoying the maths videos, right? So, in our last class we have discussed about comparing numbers where we have seen which number is greater and which number is smaller. Now today we will discuss about ordering the numbers. Ordering means to put the numbers in a particular order. Suppose when you are standing in assembly, you don't stand in your own way. There is some order. Means if we say height wise, in assembly how do we stand? Height wise. Height wise means the shorter must be standing in first and who is the taller one is standing in the last, right? So that is order. How we are arranging anything, it can be any object or any number or anything, how we are arranging, that is called ordering, right? So in numbers, what is the order? So in numbers there are two types of orders. One is ascending order and one is descending order. So ascending order, descending order, right? Ascending means smallest to greatest. Ascending means smallest to greatest. Small to greatest. If you see like in assembly how we stand. So you can remember like this. Assembly small to tall. Same way. Ascending smallest to greatest. Then we have descending, exactly opposite. That means tallest to smallest. That means we can say greatest to smallest number, right? So ascending in assembly small to big and descending big to small, right? So this is called ordering. Now to put in order, we should know which number is small and which number should be bigger, right? So which number is small and which number is big, if we will come to know, then we can easily arrange them as per the requirement, right? So here there is one question. These are the four tallest mountain ranges of India, right? These are the four tallest mountain ranges of India. In India, these are some of the tallest mountains. Now we have to arrange them, right? In descending order. Now descending means tallest to smallest, greater to small, right? So you see here the numbers are there. These are the names of the mountain ranges. Kamet, it is 7,756 meter, means the height of that Kamet mountain is 7,756 meter. Nanda Devi, sorry, this is not Nanda Devi, Nanda Devi, right? So Nanda Devi, it is 7,824 meter. This is meter, okay? Now Kanchenjunga, you might have heard about Kanchenjunga. So Kanchenjunga is 8,586 meter and this is Sasar Kangri 1. So that is 7,672, right? So what are the numbers we are having? Let us write down all the numbers. 7,756. Then we have 7,824. Then 8,586, 7,672. Okay. Now we know the rules of this comparing the numbers. So okay. So when we know the rules, how can we compare the numbers? Now if you see here, first we will apply the first rule, count the digits. We are dealing with thousands, so 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, all are having 4 digits. So that is okay. Second rule, check for the highest thousands. So here it is 7, here it is 7, here it is 8, here it is 7, right? So we know that the highest number is here 8. Okay, so we will arrange them so we are arranging in descending order. Right? So in descending order means tall to big, highest to lowest, greatest to small. So we know out of this 8 is in the thousands place and it is the highest number, greatest number. So we will strike off 8 and we will write 8586. Okay. Next all are 7. Next we will go for hundreds place. Here it is 7, here it is 8, here it is 6. 6, 7, 8. So you know 8 is the greatest number, right? So we will go for 7824. 7824, right? So this we have arranged. Next is tens. Here it is 5, here it is 7. So we need the greatest number. So 7 is greater than 5. Okay. So we will write here we will see that this is 7, this is 8. So we will see that 7 is greater than thousands place, right? So we will write 7756, right? Because here we can see 8 is the highest in the hundreds place, then 7 is the highest here and then 6. So 7756 and then 7672, right? Now we can see the numbers. The highest or greatest number is 8586, 7824, 7756, 7672. If I read out 8586, 7824, 7756, 7672. So this we can write as 8586 is greater than 7824 is greater than 7756 is greater than 7672, right? So which is the highest mountain peak? Yes, Kanchenjunga is the highest mountain peak in India, or we can say among these four. So we know Kanchenjunga is the highest mountain peak in India. So and this is the height of Kanchenjunga mountain, that is 8586 meters. So this is how we have arranged. So this is called descending, big to small. Descending means big to small, right? Now suppose we have some numbers and we have to arrange them in ascending order. So we will take some numbers and we will arrange in ascending order. So we have got these numbers 3824, or I should write one by one down only. 2987, 3486, 2313. These I have taken some numbers. Okay. Right. Now we have to arrange in ascending order. Now ascending means assembly. Assembly means small to big, right? So first we need the smallest number. So as per the rule, we will count the digits, 4 digits. Okay. Rule number 2, we will check the place value of the digit or the value of the digit in thousands place. So here it is 3, here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 2, right. So we know that 2 is smaller than 3, right. So we have to deal with this and this. Now we will check the number in hundreds place. Here it is 3, here it is 9. So what is the smallest among these two? 3 is the smallest, right. So we will, we need the smallest number. So 2, 3, 1, 3. So I have written 2, 3, 1, 3. Okay. Now we are left with these two. So obviously 2 is smaller than 3. So the next number is 2987, right. Now both are 3. Now we will go for hundreds place. 100 is here 4, here 8. So 4 is less than 8. So that is 3, 4, 8, 6, right. Then 3, 8, 2, 4. So this also done, this also done, and then 3, 8, 2, 4. So how can we arrange them? We will arrange them in ascending. How can we put these numbers? 2, 3, 1, 3 is less than 2987 is less than 3486 is less than 3826. How we will read this? 2313 is less than 2987 is less than 3486 is less than 3826, right. So this is how we will put the numbers in order. So the easiest way is, whenever you find one number, just strike it off as I did, and then again you note down all the 3 numbers, and then again you find out the number which is the required number, then you strike it off, again you note down other 2 numbers, so that it will be easy for you to do the sums, right. So whenever we are dealing with ascending, small to big, so we will use this less than sign, and whenever we work for descending, that is big to small, we will use the greater than sign, right. So this is how we will do the ordering of the numbers. Hope you have understood them well and you are able to do the exercise. So we will discuss the exercise in our next video. Till then, keep practicing. Have a nice day. Bye.